Scared me. What happened? Oh, okay. Breaking news, this is just in. 2020 by far is the worst year to be living in. Coronavirus patients are still increasing at rapid numbers within India. What? Are you sure? Okay. Alright. Breaking news, this is just in. Mother Nature is messing with us, like my ex girlfriend, and has sent cyclones to various parts of India. What? Are you really? Are you sure? Okay, alright. Breaking news, this is just in. My ex girlfriend, Mother Nature, is creating earthquakes in parts of North India and New Delhi. You have to be kidding me. Are you serious? Okay, alright. Breaking news, this is just in. Kerry Minati has released a new song against the TikTok community called Yalgar. After watching their music video, I am very confident about the content that I'm taking out on my own channel. Sticking to abusing and roasting people while using profanity is working for you, so stick to that. Breaking news, this is just in. Mother Nature has completely lost it. She is sending a swarm of killer bee hornets to the USA, and since Trump is best friends with Mr. Modi ji, she has sent a swarm of locust insects to India, aka Tidde. Bhago. That's right, you heard me. A locust attack on India. Was it Pakistan?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे
Yes, definitely it was Pakistan. Jokes aside, India has been under a constant severe barrage of locust attacks for the past few weeks. As if the global pandemic, recession, economic setback, forest fires, earthquakes, cyclones weren't enough, 2020 has thrown at us another calamity which the human race has to go through, being the locust attack. Starting between the months of April and May, storms are predicted to still continue well into July, affecting 7 states quite severely. This has resulted in excessive crop failure in various states of India like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. Experts have put down the reason for this increase in swarm of locusts because of the unprecedented rainfall that happened in areas of Iran, Eastern Africa, Pakistan, along with the unpredictable northern winds. In short, these tidders are not going to go anywhere anytime soon. If stringent measures aren't taken properly by the states, this will directly affect our food supply and we may die in hunger. So, tonight on the show, we have a hero. A hero you've never seen. A hero you can never comprehend. A hero who, since his childhood, has been waiting for this exact moment for India to be attacked by Tit Day. It's my honor to welcome our next guest onto the show. His name is Gogo the Exterminator. And tonight he will be sharing his tips on how to get rid of Tit Day. Take it away, Gogo Exterminator.
locust problem is pretty big over here. हमने देखा चाइनीज लोगों ने इतने बैट्स खा लिया कि लोकस्ट ही रह गए. They're traveling all across the world from Africa to bloody Rajasthan. So let's see how we can solve this problem. देखो, Exterminator Gogo Flamethrower 1000. When I used to have money, this thing used to shoot flames. But now, this is just like my luck. कोरोना का तो पता नहीं, बट लोकस्ट हटाने के लिए आई एम प्रिटी श्योर थाली बजानी पड़ेगी. यू वुड फाइंड गार्लिक वाटर यूजफुल. लहसुन का पानी सुन के ही इतनी बास आती है, गोरे लोग तो हमसे वैसे ही भाग जाते हैं. घास पे इसको दबा के स्प्रे कीजिए. इट विल गेट रिड ऑफ लोकस्ट. द इनफेमस पंजाब पुलिस का डंडा. इस डंडे से सब कुछ भाग जाता है. कोरोना पे भी ट्राई कीजिए, लोकस्ट तो भागेगा ही भागेगा. यू नो व्हाट, you could also brush up your badminton skills. Let's face them and smash those bloody locusts.
Oh yeah.
You know what, silent stuff, मेरी ना बस हो चुकी है. एक तो यार 3 घंटे लग गए हैं ये लोकस्ट लर्न करके. इट्स सिंपली टिड्डे. पता नहीं इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते रहते हो इसको. और यार एक तो ना मेरी बीवी मुझे तंग करती रहती है. ये देखो, कहती है टिड्डे जब तक नहीं भागते हैं तब तक मैं घूंघट नहीं हटाऊंगी. 4 साल हो गए इसका घूंघट नहीं हटा, ना टिड्डे गए. यार आई एम डन. बंद करो ये इंटरव्यू, मैं चला यहाँ से.
Well, before I end it, I want to end it on a positive note that we are going through a very tough time. We'll get through this because we are humans after all. And all I just want to say is that get ready for a set of new guests for the next week. We are going to be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So till then, it's your boy. Why am I saying it's your boy? It's me, Silent Stuff. So there you guys are. हाँ गोगो, हाँ ब्रो, हाँ यार वो तेरी अभी एडवर्टाइजमेंट आई थी, हाँ वो मैं डाल देता हूँ. ठीक है, ओके ओके.
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन. अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन. मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन.